I'm YaYa, and I want to welcome you back to the Beginner's Playlist, the best easy beginner watercolor tutorials out there. So today we're going to talk about trees. Whether you're brand new to watercolor or you just want a relaxing painting session, this tutorial will help you grow your skills. Pun absolutely intended. So grab your paintbrush and let's go paint. Hey everyone, today we're painting something we see every day, trees. But don't worry, we're keeping it super simple. And if you can hold a brush and wiggle your wrist, you can paint along. And yes, even if your last stick figure looked questionable, you can totally do this. You'll be amazed at how easy they are. So we're starting out with one of your videos, and this is it. And as you can tell, good, bad, and ugly all in one picture. So this is included in the ugly. This one I actually like. Very, very simple with a little shading, but it looks good. I like that one. This one was in between. It was okay. We did some shading on it. And then this one just went wrong. Lack of water control right there. You can see some of that with my things. But it was fun. All these are fun, whether you do them or not. This is another one of your videos. And as you can tell, I started out with a yellow-green and probably not the best choice, and then added in some of her shading. But it was fun practice, and if I had to pick one, I actually like this one and this one. They're not awful, just yellow-green is a little bit dramatic there. So they're all really easy. Some of these are wet on wet. Some of these are wet on dry. So it's fun to practice them. Next is another one of your videos, this little forest scene, and I actually liked it. I like her colors better, but the idea is showing some layers in there with some of this foliage in the background and the trees lighter color so it shows. So I actually learned some from that as well, and that was most fun to do. So one of yours, I don't remember which one, just has shading practice, which I did, and then it called for some dry brush, and I have never really done dry brush techniques much, and so this is dry brush. And it's pretty much what it sounds like. You try to get all the water out of your brush that you can with straight up paint, and you use the side of it. And you get this sort of textured look. So it was kind of interesting. And again, I had fun. Oh, and last but not, well, I guess there's two more. I take it back. This is from one of yours. My shading isn't as good as his, but he does make it easy and goes step by step. And I kind of like the look of that one. And last but not least, I stuck in a fun one for you, and this is painting a tree with a sponge. And I actually just use a portion of a sea sponge, and that's what it looks like. And I think it looks better than some of my painted ones, to be honest with you. So another fun way, dipping it in watercolor and making your tree with a sponge. One last thing I wanted to show you is the picture in the frame this week. Super, super simple. Again, wet on wet for the background and drawing in some squiggly trees. And I think it looks pretty decent. So this is another one in your video list. Very easy to do. So let's talk through your video list today. It's all the ones you've seen here, seen me doing. So I don't think there's anything I didn't show you. The optional one is just because it's a little bit longer down there, but that's the one where the shorter spread tree came from with the shading on it. And Paul Clark, I like Paul Clark, but a lot of his videos, even though they're beginner, they're not easy beginner. I found most of them in this one to be easy, and that's why I included him. But he's a little bit longer because I think he shows you how to paint. It's either 4 trees or 6 trees. I don't remember. I apologize for that. It's a little longer, but very good. And that's it for easy watercolor trees. Keep practicing with different colors and shapes, and pretty soon, before you know it, you'll end up with a whole forest of trees. Thanks for painting with me today, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and click on the links below for all the supplies used in this episode. And as always, let's close with YaYa's Irish blessing. May the Lord bless you and keep you. May your heart be light, your colors bright, and may joy and peace fill you in the beauty that you create. Until next time, bye.